in each parish, want everybody who has got some land or can rent land or can prove that he can use the land of the relative to join the parish development circle. You join the circle. And here, there's also some confusion of demanding money. Don't join unless you have paid money. No, leave them. Even if they haven't paid money, let them join. As long as they prove to you that they have got to the circle now, that they have got where they can do agriculture, small scale commercial agriculture, let them join. So the money, this financial year, we are sending 17 million shillings to each parish. But in the next budget, we want to send 100 million to each parish. The budget coming in July. And the money will be sent to the circle. So it will be the circle government, the circle leadership, elected by them, not by the other parish development committee. The one of the chief of the parish chief and so are not the ones who are going to get this money. Those are just supervisors. But the money will go to the stakeholders themselves. To the Barimi Balunzi.
Wow! Really? Uganda is amazing.